Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to check your Windows variant on your PC or laptop. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to simply go to your start button of your Windows or your laptop. So after coming to start button or your Windows, you guys have to simply click on the settings. So after opening up setting, here you guys have to simply go to the system on the left panel. So after clicking on system, here you guys have to simply just scroll down, and at the last you guys will be able to see the about section. You guys have to simply click on it. So after clicking on about section, here you guys can be able to see in the Windows specification. You guys can able to click on this arrow to drop down menu, and here in the drop down section you guys can see the edition of your Windows, variant of your Windows, your Windows installation date, your Windows build variant, and many more. So in this way you guys can check your Windows variant on your PC or laptop. I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.